I think it's been fascinating to see how people are thinking outside their comfort zone in a lot of respects, and to watch how they're approaching interesting problems from different directions, but all trying to use a similar set of tools. What this is a first step toward really giving people tools that allow them to go multidiscipline and do optimization. Right now we spend a lot of time designing a building, however you do it, whatever tools you use, and then we go and do an analysis, do an energy simulation, and then see what the results are, and then we might tweak. If we have tools that are interactive, so that we're getting the same tool we're using design is also giving us energy and giving feedback during the design process, rather than trying to do that separately, is pretty powerful. Because one of the things I think we have problems with is we get to a design, and by the time we're there, it's getting a little late to do anything with energy. If you listen to the organizers and what they've been doing over the years, is adding a new layer of complexity. Things learned in the last one are not lost. They're adding a new variation on top of that, or new flavor. So we're getting the multidiscipline aspect this time, and I think we'll see that continue to grow. The fascinating part is to watch not just the participants that are students, but also practitioners, because you know they're going to take the lessons learned here and take that back to their practice and really influence what's going on in the practice and what they can do. So any new knowledge is not just at the student level, but it's getting back to the offices that are doing these innovations and interesting buildings. I think it's indicative of Bentley thinking outside the box, trying to provide a way for students and others to learn when they want to push geometry in a way that's not traditionally pushed in building design. I think Bentley being here means that Bentley's going to be involved in that change and being able to help support it as it's moving forward, to try to translate all this horrendous amount of data that we're seeing and get it into something useful, information that can influence design.